everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Diwali 2020. In today's video, I'm gonna get ready with you for Dashami. So this is kind of a very different look that you would never expect me to do on Dashami. So that is why I did it and I really hope that you will appreciate it. So if you're interested, then let's get started. So as you can see that I've already applied my base, so I will be directly moving on to my eyes, and for that I would be using this rusty shade from the Fashion Factory 45 eyeshadow palette. So this is a very inexpensive palette compared to the number of shades that it have. Also, I'm totally surprised with the pigmentation that I am achieving from this palette. You can already see it by yourself. And firstly, I would be making this kind of a wing on top of my eyes, and then I would just blend the edges. Moving on, I would make a traditional wing using the same eyeshadow, and then I would just blend the edges. Then taking the black shade from the palette, I would just tightline my eyes along with the wing. Surprisingly, this black shade is so pigmented and I am thoroughly enjoying using this black shade. Then taking the brown and the black shade in the same brush, I will just blend it very nicely so that there is no harsh line and it gives kind of a gradient look. Using the same technique but with a smaller brush, I would do the same thing to the waterline, that is blending the brown and the black together. Then I would take this stunning blue liner from Lakme to make a small wing on the cut crease that we have created. So as you can see, I have left a small negative space in between the two wings and it gives such an intricate look to the eyes. So I have chosen this blue color as my dupatta is blue, and if you are choosing a different color then it's totally fine. It would look even gorgeous with that color. Now taking this Lakme matte melt liquid lipstick in the shade Natural Nude, I would use it as a blush. As you know, I love using lipstick as blushes and this is such a beautiful shade. It gives such a beautiful flush of color to the cheeks, yet natural looking. For the highlighter, I would be using this Charion highlighter palette. It has so many highlighter shades and if you purchase this one, you do not have to get any other palette, trust me. So I would be using the goldenish pinkish highlighter and it gives beautiful flush of highlight to the skin which looks very natural in sunlight. For mascara, I chose this Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal, which literally takes the lashes to paradise. I would quickly line my lips with the In Color lip pencil and quickly move on to the lipstick, and for that I would be using two lipsticks today. The first one being the LA Color liquid matte lipstick in the shade Smashing, and next I would top it up with Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Venus. So this two combination gives such a intricate brown, like sort of a chocolate look, which I live for. And that's the entire look, you guys. It turned out so different yet very interesting. My love for graphic liners has just flew in this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Talking about the hair, I kept it open, and for the outfit I literally DIY'd the entire outfit. I paired a black simple crop top with a saree. So the lehenga that you are seeing over here is actually a saree. I just split it to make a lehenga out of a saree, and it looks so stunning. And for the dupatta, I chose this beautiful colorful dupatta, and I paired it up with some heavy silver jewelry. And that's the entire lookbook, you guys. Let me know in the comment section below your thoughts about this video, and if you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Take it easy, there's no need